Students, now we come to electric dipole. What is electric dipole? A pair of equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance is called electric dipole. Just see this figure. There are two charges, positive charge, negative charge, and they are separated by a small distance 2a. So this is known as electric dipole. Now, dipole moment. What is dipole moment? The product of either charge means whether positive charge or negative charge. The product of either charge and a small distance 2a is called dipole moment. What is the use of dipole moment? It measures the strength of electric dipole. It is a vector quantity and the direction of dipole moment is from negative charge to positive charge, and it is denoted by P vector, such that P vector is equal to Q into 2a, or P vector is equal to Q into 2a vector. Okay, this is dipole moment. Its SI unit is coulomb into meter, because SI unit of charge is coulomb and distance is meter, so it's a coulomb into meter. So SI unit of dipole moment, coulomb into meter. Now application of electric field. So electric field at an axial line due to dipole. Just see this figure. There is one dipole, minus Q plus Q, two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance 2a, and this is the center of dipole, electric dipole, and this shows the direction of dipole moment, negative to positive. There is a point P at a distance r from the center of the dipole. So electric field due to dipole. First of all, electric field due to negative charge. So electric field due to negative charge at point P. As we know, electric field Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square. So due to negative charge, minus Q, 4 pi epsilon naught r plus a square. Why r plus a? Just see the distance from this to point P. This is midpoint. So total is 2a. So half is a plus r. So this total distance is a plus r, or r plus a. That is why I mention here r plus a whole square into p cap, and the direction is towards left. Why towards left? Electric field due to negative charge, the direction is toward left, because electric field line due to negative charge start from infinity and at the charge. इन्फिनिटी स्टार्ट होती हैं और चार्ज पे आके खत्म होती हैं. सो दिस इज द रीजन टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. नाउ electric field due to positive charge at point P. Again, E vector plus Q. This subscript plus Q means electric field due to positive charge, plus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r minus a square, r minus a whole square p cap. Why r minus a whole square? Just see, this is positive charge and this is point P. Total distance from O to P is r and positive charge to P. So this is a and total is r. So r minus a, this is r minus a. So from positive to P, distance is r minus a. That is why I mention here r minus a whole square and p cap. And direction towards right. Just see the diagram. Because electric field line due to positive charge start from charge and end at infinity. चार्ज से स्टार्ट होती हैं और इन्फिनिटी पे जाके खत्म होती है. So that is why the direction towards right, outside. Negative charge toward left, inside. Now the total electric field at point P is sum of electric field due to positive charge plus negative charge. So EXL, it means electric field on axial line is E positive charge plus E minus negative charge vector.